Yes, I'm at GTC Construction, and we're here installing the upscale water filtration system. We currently have right here the bypass valve, two adapters so you can adapt to the existing lines. Right here in our instance, we have copper coming out, transitioning into PEX. Ideally, your system will have adapters where there'll be flex lines connected. And so all you'll have to do if you have an existing system is install the bypass system onto the system. Then you take the adapters, pop them in, and then you hook up the 1-inch flex adapters to the upscale water system. Now it's really important to make sure that you have the water coming in into the filter and the out going out back into the house for the filter to properly function. Now, a big benefit of the upscale water system is that one, you don't need a power to connect, and you also don't need a drain to the water. The water goes up and then it takes care of everything, so there's no need for any of that. Then you just take a plier, and you can just snug everything up nice and tight to avoid any leaks. Make sure everything's nice and tight. And there you go. The upscale water filter is installed. Now you can go ahead and turn on your water. Now the filter will come with the bypass in the off section. You just flip them to allow water into the system. And there you go.